Hello and welcome back to the Boat Tours. So today we are here on this Nomad 75. Just coming in from a photo shoot at the moment, so you may hear a little bit of engine room noise, but we'll show you around. This particular boat has been re-wrapped as well, so it's been reupholstered and refurbished. So let's have a look downstairs on the flybridge and around the whole boat. So let's start in the saloon. You can see there's massive L-shaped seating to the port side, and we've got these amazing chairs here with the coffee table on the starboard side. I've got a plasma Samsung LCD screen TV with full stereo system behind me as well. Then I've got the galley, and then forward we've got the inside helm. Here on the starboard side we've got a day heads, which we'll show you, and we'll go downstairs and we'll show you all the accommodation. So here we are on the day head. As you can see, we've got the toilet here, electric toilet with the huge window with the blackout blind, and this basin here in front of us. Great space here just in front of the galley. Great space to make your coffees. Underneath there they've got the hobs as well, stainless steel sink, fridge, freezer and microwave oven. Everything that you could need and all the storage you could need as well. A great socialising space here in the bow in front of the inside helm. U-shaped seating with this nice table, amazing for eating, coffees or just socialising. So here we are on the helm. As you can see, we've got the Garmin touchscreen upgraded repeaters. We've got the FLIR, we've got the bow thrusters and all the engine controls here needed with the Seakeeper remote. And we've got all the same upstairs as the repeaters on the flybridge. We're on the bathing platform. We've got a fully hydraulic bathing platform, so that goes up and down for your jet skis or your tender. It's great for getting in and out when you're swimming or any water activities. And we've got access both sides on these stairs, and also access to the crew cabin. A huge cockpit with a fixed table just here with these removable seats. We've even got excess seating port and starboard, and then we've got the access port and starboard to get to the bow area and the seating. And we've got the access to the flybridge on the starboard side and up the stairs. On the flybridge, you can see huge space for 75 foot. We've got these excess shades that can be put on. We've got these removable seatings. We've got bars and grills and even more seats and dining area. We've got another sound lounger up the forward with these cushions. And as I said earlier, that repeats for these engine controls and chart plotters. Down the stairs, we'll go back into the bow area. Another area for seating, relaxing, eating, or even drinking coffee. Here we are in the bow area with this fixed seat, fixed table, and even more space where you're standing. We'll start here in the owner's cabin with this island berth, huge storage system. We've got a dressing table here, flat screen TV, and then if I walk towards you, behind you we've got a fitted sofa just here on the starboard side, and then I'll let you have a look inside with a stand-up shower, the sink. We've even got a walk-in wardrobe and the seating as well. Have a look. So now we've seen the owner's cabin, let's walk forward into this hallway. And here on the starboard side, we've got another head with a standing shower, toilet and sink. And we've got another guest cabin here with twin single berths and that walk-in wardrobe. And then we've got finally this VIP cabin with this L-shaped seating, another TV, and another island berth, and again this one has its own ensuite. So 3 cabins down here with 3 ensuites. So that's the end of this tour of this Nomad 75. All the full specification is on Bush & Noble's website, exclusively for sale with them. If you have any questions or would like to book a viewing, then please do contact us. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.